Good morning, students. We will be studying the interpretation of weather map starting with the summer season. The summer season in India ranges from the months of March to May, and we have taken one representative map of May to represent this season. This is the map based on observations taken on Monday, 28 May 1984, and the time is 8:30 hours. There are two timings when these maps are when the observations are made. It is 8:30 in the morning and 5:30 in the evening. Now in general, if we look at this map, we can see the circles represent the weather stations. These are the cloud cover is shown at these weather stations, the wind direction, wind velocity, and we will discuss all these aspects about the map. Summer season ranges from mid-April, from March to May, and this is the time when the maximum temperature is from mid-April onwards. So low pressure has developed in over different parts of this region. High pressure is towards the south near the Arabian Sea. So winds are drawn into the country from high pressure to low pressure. So which is the lowest low pressure area? It is called as the bar low. So this has been observed at various places like Pakistan, Burma and Madhya Pradesh, and the values are 994 millibars. The value of the highest high pressure is 1008 millibars, which is observed over the Arabian Sea. Now in general, the isobar values decrease from south to north because low pressure has developed over the land which is heated during the summer, and the isobars form almost circular pattern over certain regions like Pakistan and parts of Madhya Pradesh. And as we move towards the south, the isobars open out. So the pressure is moderately steep in over Pakistan and over Madhya Pradesh. There is no instance of any cyclone or any intense low pressure condition on this day. Therefore, moderate pressure exists. The wind speed is also light, so low wind speed about up to 5 knots, and in certain areas near the sea, the wind increases from 10 to 15 knots. There is only a single case on this day near Sri Lanka where the seas are rough and the wind speed has increased. In general, we find that the wind direction in the northern hemisphere uh, is in anti-clockwise direction, and around the low pressure system you can see this kind of wind direction. During the summer, the cloud cover is very limited, and therefore many weather stations have recorded clear skies. Only some stations have due to orographic effect, you have partial cloud cover, or due to the effect of the sea. Now, these are the weather stations and the amount of cloud cover. As we can see that clear skies are there at several places, and overcast skies are there only in certain parts of South India along the coast or in northeastern India. So in this weather map, we also have two aspects, that is departure from maximum and departure of minimum temperature. So if the average temperature is taken for 30 years, on that day how much is the temperature higher than the normal and how much it is below. This will depend on what weather phenomena has occurred on that day, creating extreme conditions. So these two small maps below represent the departures from maximum and minimum. Thank you.